Yes, helicopter.
Yeah, I just had no idea. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, there's a podium right in front.
By the way, this is going to be a madhouse.
No,
Watch out. They'll let you
hey, we want to do that next week, though, don't you?
Hi.
No? You don't care?
Very sad. Yeah. Yeah.
Bring enough for everybody?
I didn't have my coupons with me.
Watch out. Let them know they're not allowed to go anymore. Alright, put that back in place. Let them know what?
Yeah, they may just walk in. My recorder captain. He doesn't want to walk over there.
Oh. Go pick him up?
Oh, you have to go way over there. Oh, no. We were able to convince him. Christopher.
Hey!
We're waiting on you guys. How far did you have to walk?
That was the big problem.
20 miles.
This guy here get all the way around. We go there, wasted half an hour of our time back here. And that guy goes, now you got to walk out there half an hour. Wow. Just, yeah, it's just.
My recorder probably said that is, I think.
Flexing the balls, you know?
Well, you should have seen what we went through this morning.
Oh, really?
They were trying to throw us out of here.
Oh, shit.
Emailed a report for us.
Good.
But he was like, look, see right here? Where you can see the people. Yeah. We wanted to move us like 2 blocks away.
Of course.
And we're like, this, so he was fighting. He represented as well.
Good. Okay, we tried. The guy.
Yeah, we were out here. Watch out, guys.
Wait a minute, some the other side of the door. That's something else. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I was thinking. The guy over here said it's over the hill, but he's talking about that one.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You know, I know that's how it works. I mean, stringers do that all the time. They send that. That's how they do it. They send it in. They agree to pay for it, and you get paid if you use it. That's how it works.
that's fun.
We're live on YouTube.
I didn't know that. Nobody told me that.